All right, so today we're gonna be installing a TV into the CV7, 1990 to 1993 Honda Accord. And I got a cheap TV from Amazon. It looks pretty nice. Comes with a reverse camera, simple wiring, little wire harness, and a little remote, which we're not gonna use. You're supposed to be able to use your phone with it. So stay tuned, share, like, comment. Let me know what you guys think, and I will let you guys know how good this radio is, because it has an output of 45. The radio is pretty loud that it got on right now. I got 4 Sony speakers in the back, so I got 4 Sony speakers in the back, so the radio is pretty loud as it is. So I'm gonna see how this new TV, this cheap $40 radio, does in this car. It was hardwired directly into it. I will show you guys what each one of these wires is. I remember a few years back I added extensions to it, so because it was all the way back here, so I added extensions to it, keeping the same colors. So I will show you guys what color goes where. The main ones you guys have to know about is the yellow, red, and black. Then everything else falls into place. So that was this one, and the color wasn't white, it was yellow with a white line. Then we have the red. Next is the red. The red is gonna go with the yellow and red, which is this one right here, yellow and red. So the antenna, this blue one, is gonna go to this white and black one. Orange is the brake. The brake has to be on in order for the TV to work. So I'm gonna put these together. And then I'm gonna attach them to this. This. Brown, we're not gonna need a steering wheel control. This is illumination. Illumination is red. Lights on, signal. Signal for lights on. So by process elimination, there's a red and black that I did with the illumination lights, right? We got all these out the way. Plug both these in together. The brake light and the ACC with the yellow and red. The ground with the ground. The antenna with this yellow and white, and the main power was is white and yellow, the main battery wire. Now with these, you know, the two purples, which were the rear right speakers, one with the red and yellow with the brown and white. The grays that were basically the front right speakers, one with the brown and black and the red and green. The whites with the solid blue with the white and black, and then the greens, the gray and white, blue and yellow. And don't forget the reverse camera. Got plugged in right here. This you leave alone. Let's see if it works. Welcome, nice. All right, so it works. So that's what I did with the bracket. I cut it, I bent it so it could add a lot of pressure so that the screw didn't go all the way through. Same thing on this side. And that is more or less so that when you touch it, it doesn't fold back in.